It saves time, it makes the install smoother, and it gives a better end result. We're an electrical contractor here in North Vancouver in British Columbia, and we've been operating since 2009. EV charging is a big part of what we do. A lot of level 2 installs, plus larger multi-family and strata projects, and commercial sites too. We're really focused on installs that are clean, professional, and built to last. Most pedestals we worked with were basically just a solid square steel post, no access hatches, no easy way to run cables or make connections, so we'd end up drilling and cutting just to make it work, which adds a lot of unnecessary time. And cable management was usually something we had to add ourselves after, which also adds time and extra parts. What stood out right away was how much more installer-friendly the Wattz Up pedestal is. It has access hatches throughout, which makes wiring way quicker and cleaner. It also has a built-in mounting plate for a junction box, so transitioning feeder cables to the EV charger is straightforward and it's done properly. And the cable management is already built in, so we're not installing extra pieces like we normally would. Just those two things alone cut our install time down significantly. Once it was installed, we felt really confident in it. It looked clean, it felt solid, and everything was organized the way it should be. It's the kind of setup you're happy to hand over to the client, especially in a strata or commercial environment where it's going to get a lot of use. We'd absolutely use Wattz Up again. It makes a lot of sense for multifamily, strata and commercial installs, especially when you're doing multiple chargers and you want consistency and a clean finished look. It saves time, it makes the install smoother, and it gives a better end result. Handing it off to the client, you're proud of your project at the end of the day.